Please and please, if you truly love Nigeria from the depth of your heart, please don't play with this message. Send this message to your families, send this message to your friends. I want this message to go viral before the 2023 presidential election. That is, if you truly and truly love Nigeria from the depth of your heart. Or are you not tired of recycling same corrupt political leaders into position? Or are you not tired of these same corrupt political leaders lying to us and we will be believing? Or are you not tired of the suffering and poverty in this country? And at the end, we'll be saying that we have gained, we'll be boasting that we have gained independence and we are practicing democracy. And if I may ask, what is democracy? Democracy is not of the people, by the people, and for the people. But in Nigeria, democracy is of the government, by the government, and for the government. For how long? In the next election, we are saying no to APC. We are saying no to PDP. A fresh party is coming into power. And by the grace of God, the Youth Democratic Party is coming into power. As it is now, our political leaders are more powerful than us. That is the simple truth. The only way we can neutralize their power is to remove them in the next election. I know that they will not be liking what I'm saying now. But if you truly love Nigeria, this is the way out for Nigeria. Let's remove all our corrupt political leaders in the next election. Let us vote them out. Let us put new people into position. People that have the fear of God in their mind. Let's remove all of them. Thank you. If you are watching this message, I want this message to go viral. Send this message. We are saying no to APC, we are saying no to PDP. Because sincerely, I do not see the difference between the two of them. That's why you see, you hear before or after election, you be hearing things like APC member decamping to PDP or PDP member decamping to APC. So now if I may ask, what is the difference between the two of them? Whereby they are toasting themselves in different party. Whereby APC member can jump to PDP, PDP member will jump to APC. What kind of nonsense? For how long? Is it because we, the citizens of the country, are keeping quiet? I wish we the citizens of the country can cooperate like Ghana. See how Ghana cooperated. They burnt all their corrupt political leaders alive. But me, I'm not advocating for riot or advocating that we should kill our political leaders. But let us vote them out in the next election. Let us cooperate like the way Ghana cooperate. That's what Nigeria is lacking, cooperation. If a political leader just come out now and start sharing money, they will steal our conscience. For how long? Let's come together and cooperate and remove these people, because me, sincerely, I'm tired. I don't know about you. Educational system is nonsense. For how long?